Yesterday, my friend came to me and said, "Buddy, this is the first week of the new year. Can you please teach me something new which I can use it for my whole lifetime?" I said, "Okay, I have one thing for you, that is technical analysis which you can use in share market." He asked what I can do with that. I said, basically you can earn more money than what you were earning in share market previously, and two, you will start losing less money than you were losing when you were trading in share market. So I explained it to him, and to be honest, he liked it very, very much. He thought the way I explained it was very simple, and definitely it will help him, he believe, and I believe as well. So the main agenda is that today I want to share the same experience with you so that it might be useful to you as well. And coming to technical analysis, why you should learn. Number one, over 80% who invest in share market do not know technical analysis. So that is the first step where you should learn. And number two shall be, it will give a very good idea of when to enter a stock and when to exit a stock. This I will explain. For example, say gold. Gold 1 gram, say for example, it is selling for 1 lakh rupees today. Will you buy? You will not. Why? Because the actual rate it is around 50,000. So this thing which differentiates whether the rate is cheap or not. Technical analysis is a very big subject. There are a lot to learn in technical analysis. But of that, the most powerful, the most evergreen thing which I would recommend is price action. Basically, it will just plot the price in the chart and we will derive some knowledge out of it. So it is in its pure form and you cannot fake it. So today, please give me your 5 minutes so that I can explain it to you. And I request you to be focused during the video. And once you finish the video, if you think you had learned, please subscribe and like the channel. And also kindly share the video with your friends. Okay, let us go to the chart. Here is the chart of Tata Consumer Products. Here I will actually see this is the total history of the stock, but I will start explaining it from here, which is around 10th of May 2021 for purely understanding purpose. So here, see basically I will outline you this this is called as candles. Each thing is called as candle, and here I've selected weekly candle. So each bar represent a week's movement in price. Here the green means the stock price has moved upwards and red is they have dropped down. So starting from here, say for example, there are 100 guys, okay, 100 guys who loves tea for whatsoever reason, and they all want tea. They all stay here. Say for example, this is Tamil Nadu. We can name it as Chennai. Okay. So from here, out of the 100 people, say there are only three tea stalls, so that they can hardly manage to give 10 teas per day. So basically the demand is very high, but the supply is very low. So what they will do, they will go for in search of tea to other place. So from Chennai, they are basically going to Bangalore. Bangalore also the demand is more, but the supply is less. So like that they are moving. They are going to Hyderabad as well. Now finally when they reach MP, maybe Indore. So we will name it as Indore. Here in Indore, if you see, there comes a point where the number of people who reach there, say for example, 50 people who have, say 100 people who started from here, 50 people feel that they don't want tea anymore. So they've stopped drinking tea. And here also the number of shops, from two shops over here the shops are over 50 shops are there. So the supply is way too much, and the consumers, which is demand, is very less. So what will happen? People will start selling the tea at low price. So here say the tea was 10 rupees. Here the tea, what they will do, due to heavy competition, they will start selling at 8 rupees because they have to run their family. And while selling, okay, the crowd will start moving again. It'll move again because the here the supply is more. The demand is very, 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 very less. So the price start falling, start falling, start falling, start falling. And again, this time not in Chennai, it is somewhere above Chennai. Say, for example, it is in near Tirupati. Tirupati, there is a sharp price increase which indicates the supply is lesser than the demand. So we can see the follow through as well. It is going again, but it didn't reach indoor. It went to maybe till the border of Madhya Pradesh. It came back again. It tried going to Indore, but there the supply was more, and hence it fell all the way back to not Tirupati this time, because see Tirupati is here. Let me name it, and this shall be, let's say, Hyderabad. And again, when it came again, this was not Tirupati, it was somewhere above Tirupati. Let's name it as Bangalore. Now, again, the demand here is more. So the price started moving. This time it touched Hyderabad and it crossed Hyderabad as well. And in fact, it touched Indore and it stayed there for lot of days. I would say it's starting from June 2023 till 21st of August. The price was there only, it didn't fall as well. So here what we can say is that the supply and demand is in a tug of war with each other. And see, this entire movement started from 17th May 21, and here it is more than 2 years. 2 years there is this pent up supply or demand. It can be either way. Now, as it has crossed the indoor. So, what we are going to assume, or what the price tells, is that the demand is more or the supply is less. Whichever the case, it will cause the price to increase, and see what happened. And see what happened and how beautifully it moved. This is called as technical analysis. And okay, by this, what we can do, how we can earn money. Okay, whatever I have explained, now, let's say we were at this phase. We are seeing this chart. See, I used to track a lot of chart, and here I've been tracking, and we see this breakout. Okay, what we do, we will see whether this is crossing this or even this. It is also good as well. Once it crosses this, what we can do is, so here we might have bought some shares. Say for example, 875 rupees. We can buy some shares. What we can do as a precaution, see, nothing is guaranteed. Okay, these are just stats. So we will say, okay, it's 75 rupees. This looks like a very good chart. It is a very good company. So we will assume that, so we will think that, okay, if the price falls till 790 rupees, I will sell, because if it falls to 790, there is some wrong in my analysis. Okay, so you decide that, okay, if I lose, I will lose 10%. If I gain, I might gain more than 30% or some other limit, which I will explain you in some other video. Okay, so this is how money is made through technical analysis. And I will tell you, as I said, that this is not 100% surety that you will get money for sure. So basically what you will do, you will find, say for example, you find three such beautiful charts. Okay, and in if you see that if we lose 10 rupees, if we gain 30 rupees. So for example, in our first trade we have gained 30 rupees. Okay, this is all we are trading with 100 rupees, and in second trade we lost 10 rupees. And obviously we are going by the facts, so out of 3, 2 should be right if our analysis is proper and the market condition is proper. So the third trade we have gained 30 rupees. As a total, you see, we have gained 50 rupees, which is 50% of our 100 rupees capital. Thus, this is called as trading, and this, when done properly with proper market conditions, we can earn very, very good money. And this was my explanation. So, if you like this video, please like it. When I get maybe about 200 views, I will teach you much more than this, which will help you earn money. See you.